All right, so we're going to dive into the round two teams. So this is a pretty exciting time of Top Builder because things are ramping up, and right now we're at a point where it's about to get really, really, really interesting. So let me share my screen here, and we'll just kind of do a recap real quick of like everything that's transpired in Top Builder, so that way people that are listening to this or watching this after um, you can see. So let's jump into it. So PlebLab is evolving. As you know, we've been growing for the past 4 years, going on 5 years. Um, we have a continuous stream of students that continue to take the courses that we have on Udemy and on some other places, other platforms. We have about 159 founders, developers, and creatives in our chat, and it's growing, it's evolving, and we're really proud that we've created a community that everybody can learn from and grow from, and just kind of interact. Um, and since 24, 25, we've onboarded 48 new Bitcoin projects companies into the space. We haven't counted these from this year because we're not sure how many, but we'll do the numbers afterwards. And we're about to do our next startup day. So our next startup day is coming up here on March 13th, Thursday. And Steven actually will be in town to talk. So that's going to be cool. He's presenting later today. But what's great about it is this will be our one, two, three, four. This will be our fifth startup day, which is kind of crazy to think about. So we just been at it, focused on what we're focused on, continuously make more Bitcoin companies. That's what we do at PlebLab. So, as I said, we're founder led, we're founder focused, and we're providing resources and mentorship to drive impactful Bitcoin companies. And like you might read that and be like, what's that statement mean? Well, it means that we're not a gatekeeper. When we first came in PlebLab, there was a group of founders that started PlebLab, and we felt like there was a lot of gates that were, you had to do this or you had to do that, or you had to know these people, you had to know that person. It was just very like kind of weird. And so we always had really to the core of our ethos that we don't want to put up any gates for people to come in and learn and start building on Bitcoin. We want to make it very friendly, and we want people to that want to help you. So that's always been at the core of what we do, and I think that's why we've been successful. So some key metrics for Top Builder Season 2. Our application period started on October 23rd at TabConf, where we announced Top Builder 2 with timestamp. And yeah, we had a lot of application views, a lot of submissions. We went down, onboarded about 17 companies. We made a lot of noise, through Bitcoin News, Simply Bitcoin, Green Candle, all the big podcasts, and Stacker News, as well as our own social channels and newsletters. But what's cool is now you're going to see, just kind of how this program is evolving. So initially, when we started this, we had these teams. We've been working with them, mentors, everybody. It's a group community effort. And what's great about it is now we're getting to the phase where it's like round two, and this is only a 3 week sprint, and there's a milestone at the end. And so these teams that you're about to see, they're going to have to, kind of go for it. And it's pretty amazing to see how far they've come just in 4 weeks. Okay, let's jump into it. The first team for round two is BitSpend. So congrats, Joshua. You made round two. The second team is Sats GG. Congrats. The third team is Inherit. The 14 is Club Bink. Congrats, Juan. You did it. Made round two. The next team is Branta. The team after that is Flash. Congrats, guys. Jippy. Woo. Wow. Shopster. Whoa. Christian. Assign Money. Oh, wow. Lightning Bounties. That team, man. Gosh. Great group of guys there. Bitcoin Events. Andrew. You did it. You made round two. See? Told you when we first talked that it was gonna happen if you just stayed focused. Cozy. Kiki. Yeah. This has been a really interesting project to watch as it slowly evolved into something completely new, I think, in the Bitcoin ecosystem. And the last team is Blockstamp.app. Congrats. And like I said, that's all the teams for Top Builder round two. And I'm just extremely excited to see what everybody has in store for their milestones. If you're interested, if you're watching this and you're wondering, like, Car, these are amazing teams. How do I go see what's going on? I want to check them out. You keep talking about them. Like, dude, it's on the GitHub. Check out the GitHub, and you'll be able to see all the teams. All the information's there, and you can check out their proof of work. They all have videos attached to them, which is amazing, and they're very transparent with what they're building in the ecosystem. So couldn't ask for anything better. If you guys have any questions or anything, and you're watching this and you're like, Car, I want to be a part of PlebLab. I want to do what these guys are doing. Well, reach out. Car at pleblab.com. Just shoot me an email. We can talk.